Hausa lovers, welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel. Today, I'm giving you something fun and super useful. Hausa expressions, slang, and everyday phrases. These are the real-life, street-smart, conversational Hausa expressions used in daily life. Let's jump right in. Expressions of surprise and emotion. Wallahi, I swear, used for surprise, emphasis, or honesty. Example, Wallahi ban sani ba. I swear I didn't know. Kai or kai. Oh my God, wow, ah. Reaction word for shock or disbelief. Apa. No, that's not right. Yawa, nice, good job. Slangs for friends and chill vibes. Yarona or mutumina, my guy, my person. Bakajiba, kajiba, you get it. Used casually. Hello, cool, okay. Ba damuwa, no problem. Expressions when talking about people. Mutumin yayi pit. This person is too much. Or he overdid it. Used for someone dramatic, troublesome, or funny. Ba ruwana, not my business. Ai na san haka. I already knew. Ai ba haka bane. No, that's not how it is. Slang for jokes, fun, and teasing. Karka dame ni. Don't stress me. Playful or serious. Kun san ni fa. You people know me. Used when teasing or showing confidence. Haba. Come on, why now? Kai, ka manta da ni. You forgot me. Said jokingly to someone who hasn't called you in a while. Now, street slang and modern expressions. Kajimi nace? Did you hear what I said? Often used for emphasis. Kai baka da aiki. You don't have anything better to do. Humorous insults among friends. Zan dawo yanzu. I'll be back right away. But sometimes sarcastic, like when someone says it but disappears for 3 hours. Now, expressions about life, feelings, and reactions. Haka rayuwa take? That's life. Ba komai. It's nothing. Or don't worry. Allah ya isa. God will judge. Used when someone has wronged you. Sai dai hakuri. We just have to be patient. Let's go over this again. Wallahi, I swear. Kai. Oh my God. Wow. Ah. Apa. No. That's not right. Yawa. Nice or good job. Yarona or mutumina. My guy or my person. Ba kaji ba? You get it? Kalau. Cool. Okay. Ba damuwa. No problem. Mutumin yayi fit. He overdid it. Ba ruwana. Not my business. Ai na san haka. I already knew. Ai ba haka bane. No, that's not how it is. These expressions make your Hausa sound natural, fluent, and authentic, not textbook Hausa. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Let me know which expression you like the most and what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. See you anjima.